Welcome back. Today's crypto altcoin is going to be on EGLD, otherwise known as Elrond. This is a crypto that I highlighted in my market update video before. I'll link that above. But this is a crypto that is starting to get bigger and bigger on my watch list because it really looks like it's going to be due for a move. Now, all altcoins are looking like the bleeding is starting to really slow down. I'll cover that in my weekly market update video 2 days from now once the weekly closes. But for now, EGLD is what the topic is about, and I'm going to talk about EGLD. I'm going to give price predictions, why I think it's strong, and I'm going to compare it to Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you like the sound of that, hit the subscribe button because all I do on this channel is I review altcoins and once a week I cover the market update video. So why is EGLD a strong crypto? Well, let's have a look at a few things. The first thing you want to have a look at is the support that's coming into the market right now. So where are your support candles? Your support candle is right here, 1, 2, and 3. Why are these support candles? Because you're actually getting a tail on them. So you can see the wick is dipping below, meaning that support came to this market, okay, and it pushed the price right back up. So theoretically, we actually should have closed lower, but that's only one day, right? If you want to get more confirmation, you can wait for several days. 3 to me is like the golden magic number. Once you kind of find support 3 times, you're kind of okay, which is sort of what's happening here. Now, the next day is a down day. It is a red day, but what is it? It's on low volume. Low volume. If you're familiar with my channel, how many times do I say low volume is a bullish signal? It's a bullish signal because there's no one selling their EGLD. There's no supply into the market. So naturally, you're going to get a push up in prices. And the next day, on the Friday, which is a weekday, you get more support coming. So you can see you get another tail coming in right here. That means that support is once again coming into this crypto and pushing the price up. Now, the good thing about this crypto as well is that your stop loss already doesn't have to be extremely tight. I mean, it is really a juicy reward to risk ratio. So here it is underneath. You're talking 6%, you know, we don't want it breaking, say 30. I mean, you don't want it breaking $36, but add a little bit of a buffer there, about $35.40, call it 6-7% stop loss, and your gains can be pretty damn good. Let's have a look at the gains. Where's the price predictions? Well, to the 50%, you're talking 12%. To the high that we had just a couple days ago, we had talking a 30% increase. If we start going to the nearest 50% above that, that's 34% increase. So those are some really juicy profits for only a 6% loss that you're willing to risk. So you're talking multiple R's in terms of returns, which is very, very strong. And you also have other signals here going into March, which showed $36 was an attractive price. Now it can break $36. I want to stress that. Tomorrow we're going to get a huge selling day and it could dump and break $30. It could break $20. It can, but this is where your risk management has to come in. You got to start thinking like a trader when you're in crypto. You have to think, how much am I willing to lose? And if I lose that, I'm going to stop my losses and I'm going to protect my capital and go back in at a later date with another crypto. But for now, EGLD is on the rise. We're already getting, like I said, 3 signals of support. We're already going up in the weekday, and that should signal bullishness for the following week. So this is a crypto that I expect to start getting hot really, really quick. A lot of other cryptos are much more slower, but this is one that's looking like it's going to go out of the gates roaring. Now, let's have a look at EGLD against its Ethereum value. And you can actually see against its Ethereum value, which at times of turbulence, compare your cryptos to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is what I'm going to do. And that just shows you if a crypto is doing very well during the sell-off against its Ethereum, that's a really bullish signal. And that's exactly what we're having here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days going up in price and doing a really phenomenal job of actually just holding its ground and not losing and not breaking that 0.02 of an ETH. So doing a really good job from EGLD. And if we have a look at Bitcoin, you can see it's actually doing much better actually, because you had 1, 2, 3, but it did break the swing top, but that's fine. And you had another 2 days up. So this thing is looking like it's going to really start to go up against its BTC and Ethereum value, which should translate to a higher value for your specific currency. But for the example I showed below, that was USDT. So against its USD value should go up in value. Again, I'm putting this video super early, so I hope you appreciate that, because this is a crypto that I'm going to be definitely looking at and seeing how it performs in the coming days to coming weeks, because this is one that's going to exceed expectations very, very quickly, I think. Again, stop loss $35.40-ish. We don't want it breaking $36, but a little bit of a buffer just in case if the whales try to scoop it up and the price is just too volatile. So you get a bit of a break of that $36. So add a little bit of a buffer there should it break it, and then hopefully it goes up from there if it does. If it doesn't, then you're going to continue to get, of course, see prices go up, but we'll have to wait and see. But I hope that helped for this short altcoin review. If it did, again, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and until then, I will see you on the next crypto market update video.